Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya Redkar. Today I am back with another question related to CISA and CISSP studies. Now this question you need to focus clearly on what exactly is asked. So I will read the question. The question says, from management perspective, which of the following best represents an effective control over enterprise network operations? So whenever you read any questions, you have to focus on the important words. The important words here are, I am highlighting them. The first is from management perspective. So we have to think from management perspective. Second is which of the following best represents. So again, they are asking about the best option which we have. Uh, which of the following best represents an effective control over enterprise network operations. So in this question, I was able to identify three important parts. First is the management perspective, second is which best represents, and the third is effective controls. The options which I have with me are as follows. First option is reviewing network logs daily for all firewall and DNS traffics. So this seems like a function to be done by security staff. So this may be an option, but keep it parked away for a while. The next option is approving of policies that define role, responsibility, and escalation procedures for network incidents. This talks about approving of policies, and we are looking at this question from management perspective. So this may be an option. Let's see. We will keep it away for a while, but we from both of these options, B option looks like a better option. The third option which we have is performing ERP table audits to detect unauthorized devices. Now again, this seems like a detective control, and this also seems to be done by the security staff. So again, we will park it away like we parked the first option. Still, for me, B option seems like a good option. And the last option which we have is manually testing DNS resolution for each workstation. Again, this looks like to be done by someone from security staff and not really from management perspective. So let's revisit all our options. Option A seems like this option is done by security staff. Option C seems like this is done by security staff, and option D also seems like this is done by security staff. So for now, I have comfort over the option which I have selected, which is option B, approval of policies. The main reason for selecting this answer as of now is because the question is talking about management perspective, and approval of policies is one of the main roles of the management. Now I will let you on a little trick. Whenever you get an option, you have to review all the options and see whether any option is a subset of the other option or not. In our example, first I will clean all of this. In our option, option B looks like a good option as of now, but we need to get some additional comfort on it. And like I said, we need to see whether any of the options are subsets of the other options or not. So keeping B option as the main um, answer as of now, let's revisit option number A if this can be a part of option number B or not. So option number one says that reviewing network logs daily for all firewall and DNS traffic. So this is something like a responsibility which has been designed for the staff. And who designs the responsibility? The responsibilities are designed by the management. So it seems like option A is a subset of option number B. So I can say option B covers part number A. So I am good to eliminate option number A for now. Now, keeping the same logic in mind, let's revisit option number C. Performing ARP table audits to detect unauthorized devices. Again, this seems like a day-to-day job for security management. And who decides what jobs are to be done by security management, security staff? It is the management. The management decides that the security staff has to perform certain responsibilities. So we can eliminate this as well because this is a subset of option number B. And the last, again keeping the same logic in mind, the last option is also manually testing DNS resolution. which is again an option or a job responsibility of security staff designed by the management. So again, I get additional comfort on option number B. That option number B is the ultimate goal of the management. The management gave job responsibility to these people, and management will never really go into the ground level to see, to audit the logs, to test DNS resolution and all that. So this way I get comfort on option number B. And yes, this is the right option for this question. Please let me know if you have any queries in understanding how we reached that option number B. Also, you let me know if you have any other thoughts in mind while coming to an option. Thank you so much.